Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Primarily going to be focusing this channel on my Miata and modifying it and 3D printing. So this is my 3D printer here. It's a SCR10 S5. Pretty big. I've got an enclosure for it, so able to print during the winter. And right now I'm working on building a hardtop for my Miata. So I'm 3D printing it in multiple pieces and putting them together. Got little connection points here, that I've designed in my software. I'm showing another video how I went about doing that, but pretty much they just snap together. And once I get them snapped together, I solder them together, kind of like a little weld, just to make sure it's all solid. And hopefully going to be using that to mold either out of fiberglass or carbon fiber. And we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this together and weld it all up and see how it looks. All right, so here it is all put together. There's gonna be another section that goes back here that just continues this line. And that's just separated because I wanted to still use the trunk, which I'm still gonna have to figure out how to do that as far as the hinges go. All right, next up, I'm just gonna put some Bondo on it and get all the cracks filled in, all the layer lines where you can't see them. And we'll see how that goes. Stay tuned.